Previously, we looked at how to draw grease pencil strokes and turn them into geometry. The resulting mesh is not yet very usable, so we need to remesh it. Make it more organic looking with a subdiv modifier. Voxel remesh the geometry to merge everything together. Apply the modifiers with Visual Geometry to Mesh. Hover over the main tree shape in edit mode and press L. Invert this selection with Ctrl I to find any loose geometry and delete it. Go to Sculpt mode. Did you know that you can turn on the names of the brushes? Enable DIN Topo and set the resolution to 3 pixels so that we have enough detail to sculpt with. Use the clay strips and smooth brushes on areas where geometry was merged. When sculpting on parts like a branch, it's important to have front faces only enabled. You can also use the Mesh Filter Inflate to make the entire model thicker. If the clay strips brush is not enough, select vertices in edit mode and merge them. Then sculpt on it with the clay strips brush.